Welcome back to the channel. Today we have our Porsche Macan S 2015 first generation. We just got this car about a week ago, and right now I wanted to do some maintenance, check if there's any error codes on it, and what better tool to use than this. This tool is going to allow us to read error codes, scan every single part of the car to make sure everything is okay. It also allows us to do ECU coding, so we can code anything we want to the car. For example, Sport Plus, which is not an option on this car. That is a very important thing that you want to have if you want to have fun driving the car. So being able to code Sport Plus is very nice using this tool. This scanner comes with a nice bag, zip bag, all the instructions you need, a cable to connect it to the computer to update firmware. It has lifetime free firmware updates for every car, so this works on not just Porsches, but Hondas, BMWs, anything out there. I love how sleek the tablet is. It's very thin and small. It also has a wireless Bluetooth OBD connector, which is very convenient, and it's magnetic, so you can just put it there when you're done and it stays. It also has a stand right here, which is convenient to use. Very nice tablet. I think it's well worth the cost to have one of these for all your cars. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So once you're in the main menu here, you can do all kinds of things. You can diagnose error codes, you can do maintenance resets for brakes, oil change, or anything else. You can upgrade as well the software in the ECU and the unit itself. And then you have plenty of settings here as well to update and also change brightness, volume, time zones, metrics. I think we'll just keep it where it's at right now. Let me go ahead and show you how to connect this to the car, and let's go ahead and read if there's any error codes. This is the interior of our 2015 Macan S. This is the first Porsche car or P car we have. Let's take our wireless adapter, place it in the OBD2 port. Let's check out auto search, and then it should show up. So now we are in the Porsche menu. Let's go ahead and select our car. Here it is. Let's just go ahead and scan everything. I'm just gonna do a smart scan. And let's see what error codes we pop up with. So it scanned 30 systems and found 128 issues. So, wow, that's a lot. I guess when you tune a car, every single error goes off here. Let's go ahead and clear them all. And then press OK. While you're doing that, some error codes or some flashing lights goes on here. Okay, so we have cleared all our error codes. It did another scan read and everything is good. 0 DTCs, just the way we want. So I showed you that you can do error code diagnoses and you can clear error codes as well. You also have resets like oil, maintenance resets, brakes. You can even do calibration for your throttle, ABS bleeding, injector coding. Wow, there's a whole lot of stuff in here. And if you choose the correct section, let's say transmission control module, you can also calibrate your PDK. Once I change the PDK fluid and the filters, I'm going to go ahead and use this tool to calibrate the PDK to make sure that everything is running as it should. So if you choose the options, you can choose calibrate, or you can replace the PDK if you need to, including the transfer box. And if you do that, of course, you'll need to code things. So this will do that for you. I'm also going to show you the coding menu, which is very cool. So this is really useful. For example, I was able to code the Joker button, this diamond button on the steering wheel, to get Sport Plus mode activated, because as you can see, my car does not have Sport Plus mode. It has a bunch of empty buttons. And Sport Plus mode makes this car drive so much better than the regular Sport mode. So I'll show you how I did it. I went to instrument cluster, which is right here. And then I choose read the backup code, query the backup code. And then from here, board computer menu configuration 2. And then you want to scroll to the Joker button, which you can see the Joker. You want to enable Sport Plus, which is right there. So Joker button Sport Plus, I enabled it. And when you do that, you just press code. Right now, I'm reading the codes right now, so it's not gonna allow me to do it because I already did it earlier, but you can see that this allows you to be able to add Sport Plus to this car, which does not have the Sport Chrono package. And that's like a close to $1,500 option that we just saved our money by being able to code that into this car without having to buy it. Just like any BMW car that has coding for options for the interior, you can code a lot of things like being able to fold the mirrors, being able to change what all these buttons do. If you want to add other buttons in here, you can also code that as well. This scan tool is very powerful in being able to do a lot of things besides just reading and diagnosing error codes. The coding, the ECU coding is the biggest thing about this that to me is a very important thing, because if you want to do any kind of maintenance on this car, there's going to be a lot of things that you'll have to code, that you'll have to calibrate, and you need a special scan tool that allows you to do all these functions. The Mucar 892BT diagnostic tool is the way to go. This thing is amazing. It also has lifetime updates. You don't need to pay for any yearly updates for getting the latest firmware. So if I click on vehicle diagnostic software, you can see all the cars that it supports. There is a whole lot of cars here that I've never heard of from other countries internationally. But the main thing is it has the big brands like Kia, Honda, Lexus, Toyota. They're all in here, even Maserati and the exotic cars. And I have all the latest versions of everything here. So with lifetime free updates and the ability to use this on any car, the value of this is going to pay for itself many times over, instead of having to go to the dealer to do any kind of maintenance resets, reading error codes, or ECU coding. This thing can do it all. If you want to buy one of these for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description with also with a discount code. That way you can get in on the Halloween sale that they have going on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video revealing the Porsche Macan.